लग नहीं रहा बच्चे हैं इस रूम में। यार जहाँ बच्चे होते हैं ना वहाँ एनर्जी होती है। So मैं इधर आ जाती हूँ। I'm not too tall, so I don't know whether you can see me or not. So where there is children, they say there's life. And there's just a lot of हंगामा। मैंने सोचा यहाँ खूब हल्ला मच रहा होगा, यहाँ इतने गुड बच्चे, डिसिप्लिन बच्चे बन के please don't worry about if anyone is going to judge you or anything like that. बच्चे are known to be free. वो सोचते नहीं हैं, जो दिल में होता है वो करते हैं। So a session doesn't necessarily mean कि बहुत serious session है। We're going to talk about health and wellness and how to take care of yourself, right? तो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या होती है? खुशी। खुशी नहीं झलकती कहीं भी। भाई साहब कुछ म्यूजिक वगैरह कुछ है? 2 मिनट चलाइए, मेरे को हल्ला चाहिए, नहीं तो मजा नहीं आएगा आज हमको। ठीक है, अच्छा अब जब म्यूजिक चलेगा तो मुझे तालियां चाहिए थोड़ा। यू हैव टू गिव मी एनर्जी यार। यस, जोर से और जोर से। यस, ऐसी that's fun and that's the way it's supposed to be, right? We are born to live a life we want and we make it ourselves. Nobody else does it for you, my dear. And today, जोर से करिए, मेरे को तालियां चाहिए। Come on, come on. Thank you so much. Without wasting any more time, we are going to have a fantastic session, I'm sure about that. And I'm going to call distinguished speakers, judges, the people behind the scene. This is the first ISG public outreach program. Okay, so let me call upon Dr. Govind Makaria. He is the president, ISG. Dr. Matthew Phillips. He is the general secretary for ISG. जोर से तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Thank you. Dr. V.K. Dixit, organizing secretary for ISG Con. Dr. Ajay Duseja. Dr. S.P. Mishra. Dr. Ajit Baduria. Dr. Rohit. A big round of applause for them. My dear children, these are the top doctors in India, I would say, and they have taken out time to share the knowledge with you. And one thing I would request, please ask questions. And there are special prizes for that too. Okay. Doctor? Dr. Suisa, please come up. Oh, Suisa. Dr. Gupta, come in. Sorry, I missed you at the back. Please come. So from here, I hand over the mic to Dr. Makaria, and I think he'll take it forward from there. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Safali. I think you brought a lot of energy to us, right? So we are doctors who treat GI disorders. GI means small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, right? And of those, which is the most important organ? Why? खाना कहाँ पचता है? Small intestine. Everything is important. Everything is important, right? So what we thought that why don't we, since all of us are here from all over the country, we spend some time with you guys and talk to you about your good health. And mainly about how do you keep your liver healthy, how do you keep your small intestine healthy, what should you eat and what should not you eat. So do you know what should not you eat? क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए? Huh? Junk food, really? Sure. Which one? Processed food. Very good, fantastic. So it's you're a great audience. So it's a way to say, you're a great audience. और क्या खाना चाहिए? Fruits खाना चाहिए. What else? Huh? Vitamins, yes. Fibers. Fantastic.
Govind, you are Govind, you are teaching them everything. See, I think you know everything. No, I don't know what is the message of a class now.
So with that, I request Dr. Matthew Philip. And Dr. Matthew Philip is from Kochi, and he, the Citizen Heart Society, is doing great work for our country. I'd like to have one round of applause for him.
Thank you, Dr. Govind. I think this is a session basically for making awareness among people how gastrointestinal and liver diseases occur. Do you know that it is not because of bacteria alone, not because of virus alone, not because of cancer alone, and many of these things of liver or intestine is due to actually our environment and our lifestyle. So to a certain extent, we can actually reduce the illness, or the prevention of the illness can occur by modifying our lifestyle. This is the crux of this program. And whenever you have, I'm sure you are all comfortable with English. If any problem, please tell us. We can even speak in Hindi also. There is absolutely no issue. And we have eminent doctors. All these doctors who are going to give lectures, they have to book at least 3 months earlier to see, and they are standing in front of you to ask questions and all. Otherwise, you have to pay, we have to book at least 3 months earlier to see them. And this is a golden opportunity for you, and enjoy it, learn it, and we are with you. Thank you so much. May I request Dr. Rohit Gupta to come and give his talk, and make it very simple so that they can understand easily.
Thank you, Dr. Matthew and Govind. It's indeed a pleasure to talk before the young minds. I think तुम लोग को हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों समझ में आती होगी, so I was told कि you should be talk in Hindi and English both. So I'll talk in both languages interchangeably. English, that is what we say. So, what is the importance of gut and liver health in disease? What is the liver? Liver is an organ which is situated in the right side of the abdomen. पेट के right side में होता है. 1500 grams इसका usually weight होता है. It is divided into mainly left lobe, right lobe, but there are two other lobes, small lobes. The important thing is कि इसका blood supply, the blood supply to the liver is mainly by the portal vein. 75% blood supply is by the portal vein. और portal vein कहाँ से आती है? Gut से आती है, आंत से आती है. All the things we eat go into the gut, and majority of those go into the liver. So gut and liver are very important together as a unit. So what does the liver do? You are all very familiar, studious bachas, and I think the liver metabolizes food. The carbohydrate, fats and proteins are metabolized by the liver. Some immunoglobulins, which are जो protect करने वाले substances होते हैं ना, immune system के immunoglobulins, वो भी liver से produce होते हैं. There's detoxification of drugs and toxic substances from the liver. There's inactivation of the hormones. There's secretion of bile. Bile के other advantages हैं. Digestion में काम करता है. Aids in digestion. And it stores glycogen. Glycogen क्या है? Glucose जो आपने excessive glucose हुआ, that is stored in the liver. And when you need it, the liver releases the glycogen and you get energy. And that is what you need. Or other vitamins, iron, copper are stored in the liver and when needed are released. Second organ that we are going to discuss is the gut, ant, small intestine, large intestine, food pipe. Mainly the small intestine. It carries various food products and also helps in absorption, which means कि आपने जो खाया वो कैसे आपने पचाया वो सब small intestine से होता है. There are plenty of bacteria, trillions of bacteria in our intestine. आपको amazing है कि इतना सारा बैक्टीरिया, फंजाई, वायरस ये सब रहते हैं और बिल्कुल हार्मनी में रहते हैं. दे स्टे इन हार्मनी with you. They don't damage you unless you do something bad. So, the bacteria, what do the bacteria do? They help in breakdown of the food. They prevent gut infections, and they also produce helpful substances which are needed for the body. So, what is the gut microbiome that I told you? All the microorganisms which live inside your gut. हम लोग को लगता था ना गट में क्यों वो जो खाना खाते हैं खाना रहता है. नो, खाना तो रहता है बट उसके साथ जो है बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंजाई एंड पैरासाइट्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर एंड प्लेंटी ऑफ देम. प्लेंटी मतलब ट्रिलियंस ऑफ देम. एंड हर आदमी का माइक्रोबायोम इज अ सिग्नेचर. सबके डिफरेंट, जैसे आपका सिग्नेचर डिफरेंट होता है वैसे ही आपका माइक्रोबायोम भी डिफरेंट होता है. एंड इट इज़ यूनिक टू एवरी इंडिविजुअल. सो ये आपका गट के बैक्टीरिया, फंजाई, वायरसेस ये क्या करते हैं? द गुड बैक्टीरिया दे प्रोड्यूस शॉर्ट चेन फैटी एसिड्स, विटामिन्स, विच आर इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो आपको you need for your metabolism and body, everything. So the good bacteria produce important nutrients. You will be amazed to know कि जो fighting system है, immune system is the function where you fight the bacteria, viruses, illness, सब चीज़ जो इससे लिए fight करते हैं वो immune system. पहले सोचते थे हम लोग lymph nodes, spleen इन सब में ज़्यादा होता है, but 70% of our immune system is in the gut, आंत में, intestine में. So वो क्या करता है? It clears out pathogens. How the good bacteria fight the bad bacteria. ऐसा होता है ना, जो अगर आपके पास अच्छी आर्मी हो और दुश्मन हो तो आप लड़ सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास दुश्मन ज़्यादा हो, आप कम है, आपकी आर्मी कम है, तो यू विल लूज द बैटल. सो दैट इज हाउ गुड बैक्टीरिया फाइट द बैड बैक्टीरिया. सो गट का माइक्रोबायोम क्या करता है? वो नर्वस सिस्टम से कैसा उसका रिलेशन है? यू विल बी अमेज्ड. हर चीज़ से रिश्ता है. दिमाग का क्या रिश्ता है, ब्रेन का क्या रिश्ता है. सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया प्रोड्यूस सेरोटोनिन्स व्हिच आर गुड हार्मोन्स व्हिच सेंड सिग्नल्स टू योर बॉडी. सेरोटोनिन, डोपामिन, गाबा. एंड उससे क्या होता है? आपका स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, मूड, बिहेवियर ये सब चेंज होता है. एंड रिवर्स भी ट्रू है कि अगर आपका दिमाग ठीक नहीं है, यू आर एंग्री, देन इट हैज़ अ डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑन द गट. सो दोनों इंटर रिलेटेड है. सो दोनों को बैलेंस करके रखना चाहिए, दिमाग को भी और पेट को भी. देन दे आर एंडोक्राइन सेल्स. जितने एंडोक्राइन हार्मोन्स है वो भी मॉड्यूलेट होते हैं. एंडोक्राइन सेल्स गड़बड़ होते हैं तो आपको गलत खाने से तो आपको मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम, जैसे डायबिटीज़, ब्लड प्रेशर, हार्ट अटैक ये सब होते हैं. सो alterations in the endocrine system can cause metabolic syndrome and other diseases that will be dealt in with the later speaker. So how do the liver and gut interact? दोनों आपस में कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ साझा करते हैं? They are in equilibrium. The useful foods, nutrients, bacteria, bile, circulation, they are useful. Harmful agents are टॉक्सिन, इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट्स. तो ये गट ज़्यादा डिसाइड नहीं कर पाता. देन इट नीड्स हेल्प ऑफ द लिवर. लिवर के अंदर बहुत इम्यून सिस्टम वेल डेवलप्ड होता है दैट कैन डील विद द हार्मफुल एजेंट्स. और गट में भी ऐसा होता है, इन्फेक्शंस डील करने के लिए द इम्यून सिस्टम. So that is called the gut-liver axis. गट और लिवर के बीच में जो एक्सेस होती है उसको गट लिवर एक्सेस कहते हैं. और कैसे कम्युनिकेट करती है मैंने बताया आपको. द पोर्टल सर्कुलेशन. द पोर्टल वेन टेक्स ब्लड फ्रॉम द इंटेस्टाइन टू द लिवर, एंड वंस इट गोज टू द लिवर इज अ फिल्टरिंग ऑर्गन. एंड ये जो अच्छे थिंग्स होते हैं उसको रिटेन करता है, एंड दे डिस्कार्ड द हार्मफुल थिंग्स. जो गड़बड़ चीज़ होती है उनको निकाल देता है. सो अगर आपके गट इन्फ्लेम्ड हो या लीकी गट हो, dysbiosis बैक्टीरिया, आपके बैड बैक्टीरिया हो, that causes damage to the liver because substances leak करके they go into the liver, and if they are liver tries, लड़ने की कोशिश करता है और लड़के ठीक भी कर लेता है, बट वंस इट इज ओवरवेल्म, ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो फिर यू गेट द डिजीज. लिवर क्या करता है? व्हाट डज द लिवर डू? ग्लूकोज मेटाबॉलिज्म. ग्लूकोज यू नो इज एनर्जी ऑर्गन फंक्शन, लीड्स टू वेट गेन. So that is the most important thing that the liver does. It metabolizes fat. Fat क्या है? Fat is needed. लोगों को लगता है fat is bad. No. Some amount of fat is good for the cell membranes, for keeping the body temperature. Fat is good. Protein metabolism. Protein से क्या आता है? Strength आती है. You get the strength. And it does, proteins is needed in all the metabolic functions of the cell. Immunoglobulins, liver produces immunoglobulins that produces immunity from the infections. Liver is the largest source of clotting factors. अगर कोई liver की बीमारी है तो if you get a cut you will bleed, but if your liver intact, so bleeding stops. आपने देखा होगा ना, when you get a cut it stops after some time. That is because you have a good liver, you have good clotting factors. Once you have good clotting factors, the bleeding stops. And then bilirubin is used for excretion of toxins. How does the liver help the gut? Liver produces bile, which dissolves toxin and removes them in stool. Immunoglobulins are there, which protect the gut from infection. And growth factors for various good organisms are found in the gut. और जब ये गड़बड़ हो जाता है, then there is loss of equilibrium, then क्या होता है? There is increased toxins and bacteria reaching the liver, recurrent infections of the gut, loss of weight, muscle mass, weakness, lethargy, and ultimately जब liver बहुत overwhelm हो जाता है, then it causes jaundice, and jaundice has all connotations की उसको और बीमारी फिर हो जाती है. पहले ज़माने में कहते थे ना, हिप्पोक्रेट्स ने कहा था एवरीथिंग बिगिंस इन द, ऑल डिजीज बिगिन इन द गट. बीच में देयर वाज थिंकिंग नहीं गट इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट नाउ लेटली एवरीबडी थिंक्स गट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. जो आपने खाया, जो जैसे आप खाते हैं वैसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. Nowadays they say that microbiota, जो आपने आपके gut bacteria हैं या bad bacteria हैं, that influences the events in your whole body. Liver, kidney, आपने सुना होगा fatty liver, बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा. जो मोटे लोग होते हैं, fat people होते हैं, उनको fatty liver होता है. And the commonest cause of liver disease nowadays, after we have conquered partially hepatitis B and C, is non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. मतलब fat liver में है, fat leads to inflammation and that leads to liver disease. तो cirrhosis का most important cause आजकल के ज़माने में in the younger population is fat. So other disorders like kidney disease, diabetes, brain disorders, cancer, heart disease, you name anything that has been linked to or has been modified by the bacteria that you have in the intestine. So कैसे डॉक्टर्स ट्रीट करते हैं इस dysbiosis को? They give prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics क्या होता है? They are food substances which help in the growth of beneficial bacteria, जो अच्छे बैक्टीरिया होते हैं. और probiotics क्या होते हैं? They are good bacteria given in some form. Then you can treat the gut biosis by elimination diets. अगर elimination से आपका ठीक हो जाता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर infection ज़्यादा है तो sometimes we give antibiotics as well. And lately fecal microbiota transplants, stool, normal healthy individual के stools को they put by special means into the intestine and that changes your gut bacteria. तो आपका gut microbiome change हो जाता है, and that leads to at least partial amelioration in the disease. कई disease modify हो जाती हैं, अच्छी हो जाती हैं. सबने ये सुना होगा, way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So क्या करना है? Eat healthy, stay healthy. What to eat? You are all well read, तुम लोग सब आता है, मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, but I would say Mediterranean diet is the best. So what you should eat, that will be there in detail later. But just in a brief, eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains in almost all your meals. Eat some amount of fish, nuts and legumes. Low fat diet is allowed. Egg white is good, poultry is okay. But I tell my patients, all my patients, कि दूध, सबको बड़ा दूध का प्रॉब्लम रहता है ना, दूध क्या होता है, दूध. आई टेल कि गाय का दूध जो है गाय के बच्चे के लिए होता है, भैंस का दूध भैंस के बच्चे के लिए होता है. I think that milk is also inflammatory, and large amounts of milk, especially fat-laden milk, is not good. So, limited amount of fat-free milk is allowed. Then, red meat and sweets. कभी-कभी, ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल नहीं, पर कभी-कभी enjoy what you like, and tell your mothers that herbs and spices, adrak, garlic, cinnamon, these are good. Should be used liberally. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory in moderate amounts. Everything has to be consumed in moderate amounts, not in very high amounts. और क्या करना है? What else should do? Physical activity. 150 minutes of aerobic activity in adults, and in children 75 minutes of vigorous activity, aerobic activity, which can be, usually I would suggest games are the best things. Swimming, running, weightlifting, jogging, ये सब daily करना चाहिए. The kids and teens should play at least 60 minutes per day. And once you are mobile, your mind is also mobile. बैठे बैठे किताब लेके पढ़ने से I don't think so आप बहुत अचीव कर सकते हैं. It should be a mix of everything. Enjoyment mix बहुत होना चाहिए. यूँ नीचे करके बैठ के काम नहीं चलता. The outdoor games are very good. What else you can do? Just avoid toxins. आजकल teens में, young adults में toxin, alcohol very prevalent. So अभी तुम्हारा समय नहीं है. Don't indulge into it because you can get into it and be addicted to it. Plenty of water. पानी को पियो. Avoid eating fast foods, and aerated drinks are very bad. Fruit juices may be good, but aerated drinks are bad. Fruit juices, I would say the whole fruit is much better than the fruit juice, because you have fiber in it. So avoid fatty or oily foods. Good hygiene, hand hygiene is very important. Before your meals, wash your hands. And avoid self-medication. We have now seen plenty of patients coming with doing self-medication and antibiotics, and that is bad. So what are the take-home messages for you? Gut and liver work together to maintain a good health. Disease and one part can affect the other part. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भी जाती है. Liver, gut, brain, everything is related. So maintain a good and liver health helps avoid disease. Good habits promote healthy lifestyle. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rohit, for giving a base for this session. and we will have some question answer now. And Dr. Ajay Duseja will come and give his message and how to lead a healthy life in the perspective of liver. He is a liver man, no? He is a liver expert of India.
No, my job is to, ask you now some questions, right? And one who answers the question right, and will get the, there's chocolate, choco pie, everything, you have the prizes, okay? So it's a quiz time. Please listen to the questions very, very carefully, right? And as I said, those who answer right, they will get prizes. Right?
There shouldn't be any confusion.
Yeah.
Those who want to answer, raise the hand.
Raise a hand,
Person who raises the hand first, if it is right, we'll give that.
And suppose you are wrong, this goes to the next person then. Is that right? Okay. It's the first question. Chandigarh is capital of which two states? Lot many people know this. Okay, you answer. Very good. You get a prize. Very good. Very good. Right. Okay, next question. So next question, who's gonna tell me what is hepatology?
Hepatology.
What is hepatology?
What is hepa? What is
Hepatology.
logy?
Anybody? What is hepatology?
Which class students you are?
Which class student?
7th and
7th and 9th. Hepatology, HE. 7th and
11th. 11th.
and
Oh,
9th.
then you must be knowing about all this.
HEPAT, HEPAT. HEPAT always means liver. And ology means study. So this is basically study of liver disease. Doesn't matter. So this was actually, I wanted to give you my introduction. I come from Chandigarh, from the Department of Hepatology, PGI Chandigarh.
This is the best way of introduction of somebody, no?
Right. Okay, now next question. So next question to all of you would be, who's going to tell me 3 most common causes which damage the liver, or 3 common agents which damage the liver? Or 3 common
You have listened to it.
You have listened to it, 3 common. 1, 2, 3. Who's going to tell? Anybody raise a hand? Yes, let's go. 3 common. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
You can-
Very good.
We can give choice to
Yes,
nobody
yes.
else.
Then
Next.
number two. So that means fat in the
Fat
liver.
is it.
That
Third?
means fat in the liver. Very good. So very good. 3. So drugs actually lead on to some viral infections. You are also right. Hepatitis B and C. Right. So these are the 3. You all 3 are right. You get prizes. Who's giving them prizes? B. Shifali. Somebody needs to give them prizes. Who's answering the questions? Right. Okay. Okay, next question. Ready? Okay, ready. Which is the largest organ of our body? Listen to the question very
हाथ
carefully.
सब नीचे रखो.
Very carefully. Largest organ of
No,
the
we'll
body.
give choices at next person. You also answered, no?
So, okay, you want to
Yes,
answer?
okay,
What
stand
is
up.
the largest organ of the body? So,
No.
is he right? No. What is the largest organ? Skin. So, liver is the largest internal organ of the body.
Who answered that? So many people. No,
Yes,
you
yes.
have got
So,
a prize. Who has not?
Please prize
you
for
don't
them,
get a
prize for them. So what? Overall it is skin, but internal organ की जब